Here are top 3 personal finance questions people asked in 2022. Let's go. How can I save money? The most important thing to save money is to create a budget and stick to it. Cut unnecessary expenses, negotiate your bills, and look for discounts and deals. Number 2, how can I reduce my debt? Well, it's easier than you might think. Basically, there are 3 different strategies you can use to pay off your debt faster. Number 1, debt snowball. In this, you pay the smallest debt as fast as possible by making extra payments in addition to making minimum payments on all your debt. Number 2, debt avalanche. In this, you pay the largest debt or the highest interest rate debt as fast as possible in addition to making minimum payments on all other debts. Number 3, debt consolidation. In this one, you combine all the debts into a single account and try to get a lower interest rate on that loan compared to what you already have. And the third most asked question in 2022 was, how can I increase my credit score? Alright, this is really important if you're looking to build wealth. There are a lot of things that you can do, but here are 2 things that you must do. Pay your bills on time. Never ever delay your credit card payments. Just don't. Number 2, control yourself. If a bank gives you $10,000 limit on your credit card, don't spend more than $3,000 and pay it in full when it's due. Drop a like and follow for more.